How to fix WhatsApp voice message problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp voice message problem on Android phone. First open settings and then scroll down until you find here apps and then click apps again. And here just type your WhatsApp and now click WhatsApp here, click on it, and then all you need to do just click here for stop and then go to permissions, and this one you will find it like that. Here just click microphone and allow it, click allow, and that's it. Now just go back and try again and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.